How to buy crypto as a beginner. Hello lovely YouTube family, welcome back to Daily Business. Before we start, I want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Cryptocurrency is hot news nowadays. Everyone seems to be talking about investing in cryptocurrency, right from businessmen to sportspersons to actors and musicians. But what is the hype about cryptocurrency? Why is it in trend nowadays? And should one actually think about buying a cryptocurrency? And how can one buy cryptocurrency, especially if one is new to this global phenomenon? In today's video, we will know more about cryptocurrency, its advantages, and look for answers to our questions. In today's world where people are making millions by just buying and reselling these things called Bitcoin or Ethereum, and the richest people in the world are advertising some stuff like Dogecoin and more, this seems to be a great deal and a burning topic for our generation. So if you want to make money from money, and want to put some of your savings in a good place, then crypto trading is really important. But how to do it? What do you need? And how can it help you get a ton of money with just being active? We are going to discuss the same in this video, and make sure that you keep watching until the end, as we are going to discuss the whole of the crypto scene till the end. To begin with, what is a cryptocurrency, or most commonly known as crypto? A cryptocurrency is a digital currency that is utilized to buy goods and services, or it may be defined as a type of currency that uses digital files as money, but uses an online ledger with strong cryptography to secure online transactions. Since it is secured online, it virtually makes it impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Digital signatures are used to keep the transactions safe, and it also ensures people that the transactions are real. Cryptocurrency is decentralized, which means that it is not controlled by a person or government. The blockchain method is used to control each cryptocurrency. This is a method in which a list of entries is stored that cannot be changed easily once they are created. Security is ensured by the means of cryptography, digital signatures, and hash functions. Basically, there are 7 important criteria for a currency to be labeled as a cryptocurrency. 1. It must be digital. 2. It must be decentralized. 3. Cryptocurrencies are passed from person to person online. Dealing is done directly with banks, PayPal, or other trusted third parties. 4. There are pseudonyms, which means that no sharing of personal information is required for using it. 5. Users are in complete control of their money and information at all times. 6. It is encrypted. And 7. It is global, which means it is a currency without any borders. There are new digital currencies being launched every week to lure more and more investors, and it has given wings to many blockchain-related startups. There are various types of cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, etc. Bitcoin rules the roost, whereas Ethereum comes a close second. One of the reasons for its growing popularity is that it is used in NFT transactions or non-fungible tokens, the new crypto sensation. Let us now take a look at how each cryptocurrency stands latest. Cryptocurrency: Bitcoin, market capitalization $630 billion. Ethereum, $254.4 billion. Tether, $62.2 billion. Binance Coin, $48.6 billion. Cardano, $43.7 billion. XRP, $29.3 billion. Dogecoin, $29.1 billion. USD Coin, $26 billion. Polkadot, $15.1 billion. And Uniswap, $12.6 billion. We now know what a crypto is, the best ones in the market today, but why are they so popular? First, cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin are hailed as the currency of the future, and the race is on to buy them before they even get more pricey and out of our reach. 2. Cryptocurrency removes central banks from managing the money supply, which is a great benefit as over a period of time, banks tend to reduce the value of money through inflation. 3. The technology of blockchain behind the cryptocurrencies is more secure than traditional payment systems. And 4. Cryptos are the speculators' delight as they are going up in value. While investing, though, we must keep certain factors in mind as to who the owner is. Investors involved. Will you own a stake in the company, or just currency or tokens? And is the currency already developed, or is the company looking for funds to develop it? Once we zero down on which crypto to buy, then arises the question of how can we buy cryptocurrency? To buy a crypto, first of all, we need to have a wallet. It is an online app that can store your currency. Normally, we can make an account on an exchange and then transfer real money to buy cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, or in simple words, a wallet can be equated with a bank account. It allows you to receive Bitcoins and other coins, store them, and then send them to others. Then there are 2 types of wallets. A hot wallet for holding your everyday spending money, and B cold wallets for your long-term savings. Most wallets don't provide the facility to buy and sell Bitcoin, so to fund your wallet, you will need to purchase on an exchange and send the coins to your wallet. There are a few cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin which are available for purchase with US dollars, but there are others as well that require us to pay with Bitcoins or another cryptocurrency. There is a very popular cryptocurrency trading exchange known by the name of Coinbase. On this exchange, we can create both a wallet and buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Coinbase lets you buy Bitcoins instantly with a credit card or debit card. Let us quickly go through the process. First, create an account on Coinbase, select Get Started on the top left side of the site, and fill up your info at the sign up form and select Create Account. Once an account is created, confirm your personal details and log in. Upload a scan of ID if prompted, and once you've logged in, continue to the next step. 2. Navigate to Account Settings, click your name and then Settings, and click on Payment Methods and then Add Payment Method. 3. Click Debit or Credit Card. 4. Enter your card information. 5. Confirmation. You will see a confirmation tick once it is done. And 6. Buy Bitcoins. There are a lot of online brokers who offer cryptocurrencies such as eToro, WazirX, TradeStation, and Sophie Active Investing. Robinhood offers free cryptocurrency trades, and then we have CoinMama, a Bitcoin broker that specializes in the purchase of Bitcoin with a debit card or credit card. It lets us purchase Bitcoin with a debit or credit card. Fees of 4.9% to 5.9% is charged owing to the risks and processing fees that come with credit card payments. At CoinMama, we can buy $5,000 worth of Bitcoin per day and $20,000 worth of Bitcoins per month. Once the account is verified and a purchase is made, we receive our Bitcoin within a few minutes. We've seen how and why cryptos are advantageous and how to buy and which ones to buy. It is essential for us to understand the downfalls of the crypto and the dangers it possesses to our hard-earned money. A few months back in an interview with CNN Business, the youngest billionaire and co-founder of Ethereum, the 27-year-old Vitalik Buterin, revealed that he is very much aware that the cryptocurrency bubble may burst at any moment. The time when it may happen is difficult to predict because of the volatile market situations, change in the business decisions of the countries or the company dealing with it, financial conditions of individuals, and the environmental impact of minting cryptocurrency. He said this in light of the crash of the cryptography currency market around that time only, and the reasons why the market crashed were firstly, a tweet from the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, wherein stating that minting cryptocurrency was extremely bad for the environment and should not be promoted if it emits carbon. A lot of investors who follow Musk retracted their investments and the market was adversely hit. It majorly impacted big players like Bitcoin and SafeMoon. Secondly, China recently announced that it would prohibit transactions with cryptocurrencies to the country's financial institutions. Post this announcement, shockingly, Bitcoin lost 30% of its value in one day. It went down to less than $32,000 after the ban announcement in China. A point to note is that even though it has been banned by China, crypto is not illegal and is considered legal in the US. However, fraudsters are all around who find cryptocurrencies as an opportunity to cheat investors. As always, buyers definitely need to beware. So it is up to the investor to see whether they are willing to risk it all, as cryptocurrency is really speculative and a volatile buy. It may be fruitful or disastrous depending on the prevailing situations. But as the famous quote says, never was anything great achieved without danger, and only a risk taker reaps great rewards. And that's all for today, folks. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing videos from us.